Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about straight lines IIT JEE Mains. Some of the objective type questions. Discuss about some objective type questions. Question number 92. In triangle ABC, equation to AB is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Altitude through A is x minus y plus 4 equal to 0, and altitude through B is 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Then the vertex C is, these are the four options given. In this question, AB side equation is given. AB side equation given 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Here, altitude through A, AD is perpendicular to BC. Let AD altitude through A is x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is second equation. And altitude through B, this is B is the altitude through B, perpendicular to AC. B equal to altitude through B is 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. By using these three equations to find the vertex C. Here altitudes intersect at orthocenter. H is the orthocenter. To find H, let H equal to orthocenter, point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the altitudes. 2 and 3. Point of intersection of 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3, we get orthocenter. 1 minus 1 4 1. Next second equation, x coefficient 2, y coefficient minus 1, constant minus 1 2. 1 x y. 1 by 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, here plus 2, x by minus minus plus, minus into minus plus, 1 into 1 1, here minus 4 plus 4, y by 4 into 2 8, minus 1 becomes plus 1, 1 by 1, x by 5, y by 9. Then x equal to 5, y is equal to 9, 8 plus 1 9. X equal to 5, y is equal to 9. This is the orthocenter H 5 comma 9. Here to find the vertex C, let C be the coordinates alpha comma beta. Here CF is the altitude perpendicular to AB. CF is the altitude perpendicular to AB. To find the equation of CF. Equation of CF passing through C equal to alpha comma beta. This is x1 y1. C equal to alpha comma beta, and perpendicular to AB. AB equation 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. A equal to 2, B equal to 3. Apply the formula B into x minus x1 minus A into y minus y1. Here B value 3 into x minus x1, x1 alpha, 2 into y minus y1 beta is equal to 0. This is the altitude equation. Orthocenter H is equal to 5, 9 lies on CF. Is CF lies on CF. In X substitute 5, 3 into 5 minus alpha minus 2 into 9 minus beta. 3 into 5, 15 minus 3 alpha, 2 into 9 minus 18 plus 2 beta. Minus 3 alpha plus 2 beta, minus 3 alpha plus 2 beta, minus 18 plus 15 minus 3. Multiply with minus 3 alpha minus 2 beta plus 3 equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Next, to find the BC equation. To solve BC equation and CF equation, we get C value. Next, to find the BC equation. B is the point of interaction of the B is the point of interaction of this is the equation 1. This is the equation 3. B is the point of intersection of 1 and 3. Solving 1 and 3. Equation 1, x coefficient 2, y coefficient 3, constant minus 5, 2. X coefficient 2, y coefficient 3, constant minus 5, 2. Third equation, x coefficient 2, y coefficient minus 1, constant minus 1, 2. Here 1, the relation is x, y. 1 by 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 3 into 2, 6, minus 6. X by 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 3, minus minus plus minus 5. Y by minus 5 into 2, minus 10, minus 10. Here minus 2 becomes plus 2. 1 by minus 8, x by minus 8, y by minus 8. X equal to 1, y equal to 1. Then b equal to 1 comma 1. The coordinates of b equal to 1 comma 1. Here to observe that BC perpendicular to AD. BC perpendicular to AD. BC perpendicular to AD. Slope of BC into slope of AD equal to minus 1. Slope of BC, slope of AD equal to minus 1. Slope of BC, B1 comma 1, C alpha comma beta. Beta minus 1 by alpha minus 1. Beta minus 1 by alpha minus 1. Slope of AD. AD slope minus A by B. Minus 1 by minus 1. Minus A by B. Slope of AD. AD line x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Minus A by B. Minus 1 by minus 1. 1. Minus 1, cross multiply. Beta minus 1 is equal to minus alpha. Beta minus 1 equal to minus alpha plus 1. alpha plus beta minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation. Already one equation is there, 4. This is equation 5. Solving 4 and 5, we get C point. We get C point. We continue this part. Solving 4 and 5. Fourth equation, alpha coefficient 3, beta coefficient minus 2, constant 3, alpha coefficient 3. Second equation, alpha coefficient 1, beta coefficient 1, minus 2, 1. 1 alpha beta. Here 1 by 3 ones 3 minus 2 plus 2, alpha is equal to 4 minus 3, alpha by 4 minus 3, beta 3 ones 3, 3 to 6, 3 to 6 minus 6 plus 6, 1 by 5, alpha by 1, beta by 9. Alpha is equal to 1 by 5, beta is equal to 9 by 5. Alpha equal to 1 by 5, beta equal to 9 by 5. Therefore, vertex C is equal to 1 by 5 comma 9 by 5. This is the answer. Second option is correct. Question number 93. Centroid of the triangle formed by the lines x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. These are the four options. In this triangle, the triangle three sides are given. Here the triangle ABC, let AB is x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, equation 1. Let BC is 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0, second equation. AC, here AC is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, third equation. First to find the vertex A equal to point of intersection of 1 and 3. 1 and 3. In equation 1, x coefficient 1, y coefficient 2, constant minus 5 and x coefficient 1. In third equation, x coefficient 1, y coefficient 1, constant 1 and x coefficient 1. The relation is 1 x y. 1 by 1 into minus 1, 1 into 2, minus 2. X by 2 into 1, 2. Here minus 1, minus plus, minus 1 into minus 5, plus 5. Here minus 5. Y by minus 5, minus 1. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. 1 into 1, 1. 1 by minus 3. X by minus 3. Y by minus 6. Minus 5 minus 1, minus 6. 1 by minus 3 is equal to x by minus 3, x equal to 1. 1 by minus 3, y by minus 6, minus 6 by minus 3, y is equal to 2. Then the A value is 1 comma 2. This is the vertex A. Next to find the vertex B. Vertex B is the point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. In equation 1, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient 2, constant minus 5 and x coefficient 1. Second equation, x coefficient 2, y coefficient 1, constant minus 1 and x coefficient 2. 1 x y 1 by 1 into 1 1 minus 4 x by 2 into minus 7 minus 14 here minus 5 into 1 plus 5 y by minus 5 into 2 minus 10 here minus 7 becomes plus 7 1 by minus 3 minus 14 plus 5 minus 9 x by minus 9 y by minus 10 plus 7 minus 3 1 by minus 3 is equal to x by minus 9 minus 9 divided by minus 3 x equal to 3 y by minus 3 by 1 by minus 3 minus 3 divided by minus 3 1 y 1 then the b coordinates are 3 comma 1 the coordinates of b is 3 comma 1 next to find the c vertex c equal to point of intersection of 2 and 3 solving c point of intersection of 2 and 3 x coefficient is 2 y coefficient 1 constant minus 7 2 third equation x coefficient 1 y coefficient minus 1 constant 1 1 x y 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 x by 1 into 1 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 7 y by minus 7 into 1 minus 7 minus 2 1 by minus 3 x by minus 6 1 minus 7 minus 6 y by minus 9 minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 1 by minus 3 is equal to x by minus 6 x equal to 2 then 1 by minus 3 is equal to y by minus 9 y is equal to 3 the vertex c equal to 2 comma 3 2 comma 3 vertex c equal to 2 comma 3 here to find centroid g the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 1 plus 3 plus 2 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3 comma 2 plus 1 plus 3 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 3 here 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 2 6 6 by 3 2 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 3 6 by 3 2 2 comma 2 is the centroid of the triangle ABC third option is right question number 94 the acute angle bisector between the lines 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 5x plus 12y minus 26 equal to 0 these are the four options here two lines are given to find the equation of acute angle bisector suppose if one line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 another line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 to find the acute angle bisector the concept here a1 a2 plus b1 b2 less than 0 and c1 c2 is greater than 0 then equation of acute angle bisector a1x plus b1y plus c1 by root of a1 square plus b1 square equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square here the equation of lines is given 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 this is equation 1 in this equation a1 value 3 first equation b1 minus 4 c1 minus 5 in equation 1 second equation 5x 12y minus 26 equal to 0 in second equation a2 equal to 5 b2 equal to 12 b2 equal to 12 c2 equal to minus 26 minus 26. Here to find the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2. a1 a2 plus b1 b2. a1 a2 3 into 5 15. b1 b2 minus 4 into 12 minus 48 equal to minus 33 is less than 0. Next to find c1 c2. c1 is equal to minus 5, c2 equal to minus 26. Minus minus plus 5 into 26 130. 5 6 30, 5 2 10 130 is greater than 0. Equation of acute angle bisector. Acute angle bisector 3x minus 4y minus 5 by a1 square plus b1 square. 3 square 9, 4 squares minus 4 whole square 16 equal to 5x plus 12y minus 26 by 5 square 25, 12 square 144. Here 9 plus 16 25. The square root of 25 is 5. 3x minus 4y minus 5 by 5. 5x plus 12y minus 26. 25 plus 144, 169. The square root of 169 is 13. 13 is cross multiply with 3x minus 4y minus 5. 13 3s 39x. 13 4s 52y. 13 5s 65. 5 5s 25x. 5 12 60y. 5 26 130. 39x minus 25x 14x minus 52y minus 60y minus 52y minus 60y minus 112y here minus 65 plus 130 minus 65 plus 65 equal to 0. This is the equation of acute angle bisector. Question number 95. The equation of the bisector of the angle between the lines x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0, 5x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0, which is the supplement of the angle containing the origin. Here the 4 options are given. In this question, supplement of the angle containing the origin. Here one concept to 2 lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here the constants c1, c2 are opposite signs. If c1 greater than 0, c2 less than 0, or c1 less than 0 and c2 greater than 0, opposite signs, then the equation of bisector containing the origin is a1x plus b1y plus c1 root of a1 square plus b1 square equal to minus of a2x plus b2y plus c2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square. Suppose here c1, c2 have same sign. c1 greater than 0, c2 greater than 0. c1 less than 0, c2 less than 0. Then the equation of bisector containing the origin is a1x plus b1y plus c1 root of a1 square plus b1 square equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square. Here the given lines x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Second one, 5x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation 2. From equation 1, c1 is equal to 5 greater than 0. Equation 2, c2 minus 3 less than 0. Here opposite signs. Then opposite signs, equation of bisector containing the origin is equation of bisector containing containing the origin is x minus 7y plus 5 root of plus 5 root of a1 square 1 minus 7 whole square 49 minus of 5x plus 5y minus 3 5 square 25, here also 5 square 25, 1 plus 49 root 50, here root 50 get cancelled, x minus 7y plus 5 multiply with minus 5x minus 5y plus 3, minus 5x becomes plus 5x, 5x plus x 6x minus 5y becomes plus 5y minus 7y plus 5y minus 2y plus 3 becomes minus 3, 5 minus 3 2, here multiplied by 2, then 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, then the third option is right. Question number 96. Reflection of 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 with respect to the line 2x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is, here one concept, image of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with respect to lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Here this is the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, lx plus my plus n equal to 0. This is the mirror. The image of line is the formula L square plus M square into AX plus BY plus C equal to 2 into AL plus BM LX plus MY plus N. Here 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 is given. 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Here the A value equal to 3, B value equal to 4, C equal to 5. This is the form of AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. With respect to the line is 2x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the form of Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. Here the L value is 2, M equal to 1, N equal to 1. Here to find the image of line. Image of line, the formula, apply the formula L square plus M square into AX plus BY plus C is equal to 2 into AL plus BM into LX plus MY plus N. Next then apply the values. L, here L value is 2 square 4, M value is 1, AX plus BY plus C is 0, 3x plus 4y plus 5, 2 into AL, 3 into 2, 6, BM, 4 into 1, 4, LX plus MY plus N is 2x plus y plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 3x plus 4y plus 5, 2 into 6 plus 4, 10, 2x plus y plus 1. Here 5 ones, 5 2 cancelled, 3x plus 4y plus 5, 2 into 2, 4, multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8x, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into y, 4y, 4 into 1, 4. Here plus 4y get cancelled. Plus 3x becomes minus 3x, 8x minus 3x, 5x, 4 minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. The image of the line is, the reflection of the line is 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Third option is correct. Okay students, in next class discuss about Question number 97. Next class discuss about question number 97. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and also if you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.